Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be recording the session for the analysis of day after yesterday's session, that is 31st, as tomorrow is Ram Navami holiday, so the markets will be closed on account of that. So we'll be recording this for day after tomorrow's trading session. Alright, so this is the Nifty futures chart and this is 30-minute time frame. As you can see my last video for Nifty analysis, I have presented a view that this is the region where I'm expecting there can be some action, and the action could be possibly in the long direction or the positive direction, right? So as you can see, the highlighted area is quite well getting respected here. And if you see, I have told this analysis in the previous video as well. If you want, you can just go over that in the query section or the content section. If you see, I told that this is the new structure high which was formed after this high or lower high was broken here. Now if you see any first structure of its kind, that is either it's the first high which is being formed after a downtrend or first low formed after a uptrend, it will be accompanied by a deep correction or quite congestion, because this is the area where point of time where bulls and bears in fact are still not sure is the prevailing trend is still intact or it is going to change. We are not going to say that the trend is exactly getting changed, because if you look at the more dominant play, it seems like bears are more dominant over here. But in case this is a consolidation and there might be a possibility that we might get a pullback, at least a pullback to 61.8 retracement, let's say what it comes somewhere around. And if you see 61 comes close to 17,483 or 485 on the futures, note it. Alright, so as you can see, I told that this area around 17,000 and 17,925, the 75 points of space will be a accumulation space. In fact, I did have some position over here and I accumulated some lots of Nifty here. On futures, I haven't initiated anything here for call side or any option contract, because I thought if there is a very lethargic moment here, then buying options will be waste of time. So I was just taking the lots of futures, adding the lots of futures here. So you see, today was a very good directional movement. In the morning session, it went up, but it went considerably down, and after that, it started going up again. So if you go to 15-minute chart to analyze, there is still a moment, swing moment, which you can see, right? All right, all right. So if you see from here, it went into downtrend. Here again, it was able to make a new structure high as it was breaking this way. This lower high was broken, a new structure high formed here on 15-minute chart, a deep pullback here, and it broke this low very marginally. But if you see in this particular formation, this was a slow movement and we again formed a new structure high here, and after that it was a deep movement. After that we started moving up. So let's see if we are able to continue this momentum going forward in the next trading session. Target wise, if you want to just follow the trailing mechanism, that is also fine. If you just want to have a target, then possibly you can mark target somewhere around 467. This is on the futures. So 467, this is April futures, find it. Sorry, this is March futures. So you would have to do the analysis on the spot or April futures for that matter. So if you see, this is 161.8 extension of this particular thing. So I'll be looking for this target, and if you see roughly how many points you will be getting, the buying was somewhere around this area, 75, and if you get this target, you will be getting close to 500 points. But let's see how well it goes. All right. So this is it, the analysis for Nifty and going forward. And one more thing, these are the stocks for tomorrow. And one more thing, if you haven't entered the market still, I will suggest let this area get broken. If you have not still initiated any position, let this area get broken, which is around 17,112 or 17,115. Once this formation is there, we get some consolidation here, and then again a breakout, then that will be your entry point. This is on futures levels. All right, let's quickly look at the stock which we have discussed in the last trading sessions. How well are they doing and what is expected going forward? KPIT going still well. We buy it around 855. It is around 895, and once this high of 915 is broken, you'll be moving your stop loss to 869. All right. Next one is India Mart. This is still struggling in the same area. Buying was around 50-50, and once this high of 50 200 is broken, we will be moving the stop loss below this low. Next one, okay, there are three stocks which I have selected for today, or sorry, two stocks. Dalmia Bharat was shared in the previous session. So if you see, it is already up more than 4.5%. Entry was around 1856.5. Still, the stop loss is 1804. So once it moves and forms a swing or a pivot, whatever you call, like this, the subsequent break will be moving your stop loss around this area. So simple as that. Very simple logic, very simple strategy. It's a stock which I have added today in the kitty. It is J Correction Cement. Buy around 741.25. SL will be 695.25 here. Once it gives a small dip, just buy it, place your limit orders or GTD orders here, and then after keep riding the trend. Next addition is TKK Healthcare. It has given a very good momentum in the couple of trading sessions, and now it is just consolidating. So our buying will be in the area which is 1077 or 78. 1077 is our buying area, 1025 is our SL. So just keep this thing on watch list. I think this may be going to going into a good momentum once this high is broken subsequently. So let's see how well the momentum has to support this stock. Alright guys, these are the stocks which I think can have a very good trading session or momentum going forward. So keep these on watch list. In case you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe so that we can you know go over the session with multiple peoples, and multiple peoples can get benefit of these free sharing. Okay guys, please do not forget to share these things on your social media platform. Till then, thank you very much.